Those were 4 people. Till today, you don't know where they were. You don't know if they were homegrown, if they came from Pakistan, or what they were. You have a prime minister who's going to Pakistan and having biryani. You don't know whether those 4 people who came till today, it has been 4 months since the attack. You don't know if they were homegrown. You don't know if they crossed the border. You don't know where they are. You don't know where they are, who they were. You have been a complete failure in nabbing the Pahalgam infiltrators or terrorists, whatever they may be. And you're trying to divert tactics from that and say we are picking up Bengalis and calling them Bangladeshis. What kind of nonsense is this? And you border controls under you. Why don't you control the border? How much money you have spent? 2 lakh crores on the Ministry of Home Affairs budget. 2 lakh crores. Where's the money gone to? Where's the money gone to? Why don't you beef up security in the border? Put more BSF, put more lights, get more technology. Don't let a single person come in.
But the Mamata Banerjee herself has objected to BSF activities in West Bengal.
No. What are you? See, you can't. This is. I mean, I'm surprised. With all due respect, you are a respected journalist. You are a respected journalist. Nobody has objected to the activities of BSF. We have said that BSF by law has got their border control. What they changed the law and they're saying BSF can act within 10 kilometers, 50 kilometers outside of the border. BSF cannot control their own border. How can BSF, the state police, 50 kilometers from the border? Do you realize how far it is? Why should the BSF come in 50 kilometers inside the border and take up the word of Singh police? So tomorrow, if they decide on their anti-Muslim drive, they decide come and pick up, they will use BSF to do that. The BSF's job is a border security force. 5 kilometers from the border is how much they're supposed to work. They changed that to 50 kilometers from the border. In some places, 50 kilometers from the border is Calcutta. Are you supposed to have from Petra Port to Calcutta as the crow flies is less than 50 kilometers? So what do you expect? You want the BSF to come in there and do border patrolling? That's a joke.